So the kittens are now 11 weeks old and the time has passed really, really quickly. And I can't believe that they won't be with me for very much longer. Only a couple more weeks for the two tabbies. The seal point is in fact staying with me. They're actually getting quite big now, so I'm going to weigh them and see what they've gained this week. So I've had really good weight gains again from all of the kittens this week. I'm not surprised they are eating me out of house and home. I'll do my usual roundup of what they've been eating in my next video. So a couple of vlogs ago, I was talking about this chap and his funny coat, and that I thought it was a chicken allergy. So I have tried to feed him separately from the others, giving him food that does not contain chicken. However, this was more difficult than I'd hoped, and he didn't like eating away from the others. You know, he kept looking at them and saying, well, what are they eating over there? So I had to postpone giving him the non-chicken food. I have tried mixing his food a little bit with the others just to cut the amount of chicken he's actually consuming. His coat has definitely got longer, but it does still feel quite rough to the touch. So really, until the other kittens have left and I can feed him on his own and get rid of the chicken content food, then I'm a little bit stymied really. But it won't be too much longer because they're having their second jab not very long. I think it's in about a week's time. And then the other two kittens will leave shortly after that, and it will just be him left. So it'll make it a lot easier. But for now, they're okay. He's doing all right. And the other two are doing well as well. I'm going to try clipping these kittens' claws today because they're very sharp. They are rather playful though, so this might be easier said than done, but we'll see how I get on. The easiest claw clipping I've ever done, but they were rather playful, and when they could see the others playing, they just wanted to get down and play as well.